Everyone expected Claude Code to be an IDE plugin. That's how coding tools work, right? VS Code extension, IntelliJ plugin, something visual. Boris, head of Claude Code, built it in a terminal instead, and people thought he was crazy. Here is the full story. Boris was the only person working on it initially. One engineer, and the terminal was just the fastest way to prototype. No UI to design, no complex interface, just bash commands. But then he realized something that changed everything. The AI models were improving every few months. Dramatically, any fancy interface would need constant redesign to keep up with new capabilities. The terminal, it's been the same for decades. Will work for decades more, it's timeless. While competitors kept redesigning their UIs every model release, Claude Code just worked. Simple, fast, always compatible. But here is what's interesting. Boris said this was actually a product lesson about under-resourcing things at the start. When you are constrained, you are forced to find the simplest solution. And often, the simplest solution is the right one. Now, Claude Code is available everywhere. Desktop app, iOS, Android, Slack, web. But the terminal version still there. Still powerful, still preferred by many. Boris called it bringing in the product to where people are, not forcing them to change their workflow. Sometimes the scrappy prototype born from constraint becomes your biggest advantage. The thing that seems like a limitation becomes the feature. What do you think? Terminal or GUI for coding tools?